How's it going, guys? Yesterday I felt like eating like some pasta, and then my family wanted to eat some pasta also. But I had like some frozen meatballs from Walmart. They're not the best, but like I had to use them. And then so I put them in the oven for about like 40-45 minutes at 350 degrees. And then so what I did, so cut some veggies, some onions, cut them really fine. And then what are we gonna do? So we're gonna glaze them, kind of like cook them until they like give you like that glaze color. And after that, you're gonna use your garlic paste, whatever garlic paste that you have. If you have fresh, it's good too. And then so I added like some cream cheese, not a lot, just just to elevate the flavor, just a little bit. And then once everything is well softened, so what you do, so you're gonna add your red sauce, whatever red sauce that you like. If you have like homemade one, it's even better. But I didn't have any homemade one, so I had to use one from the grocery store. And then so what I did is let it cook for about like maybe like 2 or 3 minutes. And then now I'm gonna add my heavy cream, and then like the heavy cream gonna make it taste better, it's gonna look better and everything. Let it simmer for about like 5 minutes. Then you're gonna add your meatball in there, your meatball that's not all the way cooked yet, so it's gonna finish cooking in that nice red sauce, and then it's gonna absorb all this flavor from the red sauce, and then it's gonna make it even taste better. So now you're gonna let it cook for about like 10 to 15 minutes on low. In the meantime, I will add some seasoning, some garlic powder, some chili powder, salt and pepper, just to make it taste better. While the meatball sauce is being done, so I'm gonna go ahead and then like cook the pasta. That way I can serve it right after like the meatball sauce is being ready. After I was done putting everything together, so I added like some dried parsley, some Parmesan on top. I wish I had like some fresh one on hand. I didn't have any, so I had to settle for the one that I had in the fridge. So let me know what you think, and let me know what would you do like to make this dish even better compared to mine. Alright, so remember to like and subscribe, and then thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.